Grab your timers and let's get busy completing a power hour. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. A power hour is when you devote 1 hour to something specific. You put all of your time and energy into that 1 hour. If you are a homemaker, that 1 hour may consist of doing things around the home, and that is what we are doing today. I made a to-do list of 8 things that I need to get done after dinner, and we are going to see if we check off those things in an hour or less. This Power Hour is a monthly collaboration hosted by yours truly until Jessica Myros comes back from vacation. We totally miss you, Jessica, and cannot wait for you to come back. I am going to link today's playlist in my description box, and I hope that you guys will check it out and support my other friends here on YouTube. So let's get busy with this after dinner Power Hour. Maybe it is the teacher in me, but I like to plan before I begin a power hour. I knew that I would be starting this power hour after dinner, so I sat down at the kitchen table and I came up with 8 things that I wanted to complete during this hour. I was writing in pink, not thinking that it would not show up on video, so I just wanted to share with you quickly what I wrote down. Clean up the kitchen, clean off the dining room table, clean the front entry table, clean off the desk for the evening, fold and put a load of laundry away, dust the family room, restock the coffee pods, and gather the laundry. So I wrote those 8 things down and I set my microwave timer for 1 hour. I actually finished in 45 minutes, but it's okay if sometimes it takes the full hour or sometimes you finish faster.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down,
just wanted to take a minute to thank you for spending part of your valuable day with me. If you are in the United States, happy Independence Day as we celebrate the 4th of July today. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jen. I create a variety of homemaking content here on my channel. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior and would love to have you as part of my growing YouTube family.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know?
You were wondering why I have so many items on my dining room table. It is because I am busy filming my 100 Days to a Cleaner Home, and in Sunday's video I did some redecorating in my kitchen, so this would be the leftovers, so I am donating some and putting some away.
How much I love you. I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone else around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. 'Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm
Originally, my plan was just to quickly dust in here, but I did have some extra time, so I decided to go ahead and use the method wood cleaner and polish some of the surfaces.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and do not forget to go to my description box and check out the playlist for today. Thank you guys for spending part of your day with me. Remember to take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye-bye.
It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger.